Hi, it's me again, Pidgin English coach. How you there? How your body? How work? Hmm? If you don't take care of yourself today. Alright, I'd like to talk about a very popular Pidgin English phrase that is used over here. It is you know well. You know and well. It means you are not okay. It means you're kind of crazy. So, for example, somebody comes to you and talks to you about a very crazy idea. You say, you know well. Means you're not okay up there. There's something wrong with you. You're crazy. Like somebody comes and says, give me all the money you have right now. I need money. Give me everything you have right now. I said, you know well. You know well at all. You're not well. You're not okay. You're likely crazy. Something is wrong with you. Or if somebody does something bad, and you're trying to tell the person there's something wrong with your head. You know well. True, you know well. I tell you, you know well. So that's that for today. You know well. That's what it means. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. I'll be doing more videos. Don't forget to look at the description box. There are links to full audio products. You can listen to help your pigeon. You want to talk to me about one-on-one live pigeon English coaching? Go ahead, comment, send me an email, alright? Subscribe to get emails also. You understand that I talk now? Do them now. Do them now. You understand? Do them now.